International Journal of Biopharmaceutical Sciences. About the journal. Biopharmaceutical sciences is an emerging field that involves various processes like target selection, lead discovery, medicinal chemistry, in vitro and in vivo studies, clinical trials and therapeutics of drug. Immense research are going on optimization techniques, preformulation studies, and development process of the drug. Boffin Access understands the need of an open access journal to disseminate current developments in biopharmaceutical sciences and research through the International Journal of Biopharmaceutical Sciences. Aims and scope. International Journal of Biopharmaceutical Sciences focuses on fields related to biopharmaceutical sciences that include various processing technologies, research, and development of new products including medicine, food etc., manufacturing and related fields. This open access, peer-reviewed journal also presents studies related to public health issues and policy and decision-making reports regarding use and abuse of biopharmaceutical products. The journal has an international expert editorial board and review team and follows standard double-blind review process and making editorial decisions based on the scientific merit. The editorial team invites authors to submit original reports, expert reviews, opinions, policy articles, communications, editorials and letters for publication. International Journal of Biopharmaceutical Sciences publish quality content and pave a new platform for industrial professionals and academicians to share and update the current knowledge. Subjects covered by the International Journal of Biopharmaceutical Sciences. Protein and nucleic acid-based drugs. Biological medicinal products, therapeutic biological product. Whole blood and other blood components. Antibodies for passive immunization. Properties of pharmaceutical preparations. Antisense oligonucleotides. Advanced therapy medicinal products. Medical devices supporting a distinct pharmacological effect. Biomedical aspects of drug product design. Physicochemical aspects of drug product development. Biopharmaceuticals development to drug manufacturing and regulation. Biomedical research. Innovations in biotechnology. Single-use cell culture technologies. Cost-effective and innovative chromatographic purification. Biotherapies in single-use formats. Viral clearance. Discovery of diagnostic markers of disease. Molecular biology. Biological research and development. Pharmacology and organic chemistry. Biochemistry. Bioavailability, bioequivalence, and pharmacokinetics. Toxicology and pharmaceutics pharmacology. Drug screening and drug design. Assessment of pharmacological activity. Pharmaceutical formulation and scale-up. Preclinical safety assessment. Phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical development. Pre-market approval assessment of clinical safety. Post-marketing surveillance. How drug action may be optimized by new technologies. Improving drug interactions in the body. Design and development of drug delivery systems for pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals.